Chole Bhature. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss an update from JIMJEN Kitchen. In a pressure cooker, take 1 cup chickpeas. These are soaked in water for 8 hours. You can also soak them overnight. Add 2 cups water, salt, and half teaspoon baking soda. In a muslin cloth, take 2 inch cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 8 to 10 black peppers, 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon tea powder, and half teaspoon black cumin seeds or shahi jeera. Bring the edges together and make a bundle. Secure it with a knot. Put this bundle in the pressure cooker. Pressure cook on medium heat for 3 whistles. Remove the boiled chole in a bowl with the water and set aside. Discard the bundle of spices. In a kadhai, take 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and let them crackle. Now add 2 finely chopped onions. Add salt, add 1 bay leaf. The onions should be fried until they turn brown. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Cook until the raw smell of the ginger and garlic goes away. 2 green chilies. Add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. You can also use tomato puree. Fry the tomatoes till they become soft. Now add half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons coriander powder. Fry the masala until it starts leaving the sides of the pan. After frying the masala well, add some water from the boiled chickpeas. Cover and cook on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the boiled chickpeas along with the water. Mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon garam masala and half teaspoon dry mango powder or amchur powder. Mix well. Cover and cook until the gravy thickens. Gently mash some chickpeas with a masher or with a spoon. This makes the gravy thick. Add 2 tablespoons finely chopped coriander and mix well. Chole masala is ready to be served. For making instant aloo bhature, take 2 boiled and peeled potatoes and grate them finely. In the potatoes, add 2 cups all-purpose flour or maida, 1/4 cup semolina or suji, half cup plain yogurt or dahi, salt, half teaspoon baking soda and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Add water if required and knead a smooth dough. Add more flour if the dough feels sticky. Apply 1 teaspoon oil over the dough. Cover it and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, grease your fingers with oil and knead again. We need a soft and smooth dough. Make 1-inch balls and set aside. Dust some flour on the rolling pin and roll each dough ball. You can also use oil instead of dry flour. Roll into a circle or oval shape. You can make big bhaturas if you have a bigger kadhai. Heat oil in a kadhai. It should be very hot. Drop a bhatura in the hot oil. It should rise up immediately. Now gently press down with the spoon until it puffs up. Fry both sides until golden brown. Chole Bhature is ready to be served. Subscribe to my channel JIMJEN Kitchen, click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.